So good morning students, welcome back to today class. In the last class we saw about soils and its formation. So we are all very well know. So the earth, the uppermost layer of our earth, it's called soil. So the soil also present on the uppermost layer of our earth, and it's very important for growing crops. And it's very useful to construct the building also. So the soil is one of a natural resources. And can you know how the soil forms? So the process of soil forms, it takes thousands and thousands of years, and it forms because of heavy rain and the heat of the sun. The high mountains and the big mountains and all started to cracks and breaking them into smaller pieces. So these smaller pieces are formed into soil. So the soil is very important, and most of the soils we can see in the river banks areas. And the different rocks are made of different kinds of minerals and chemicals, and the different types of soils. So in our Tamil Nadu and in our India also we can see the lot of different types of soils, and these different types of soils are formed depending on the different types of rocks. I hope you all learned this yesterday topic. And the study of soil, so the study of soil is known as a pedology. So the study of soil is known as a pedology, and the pedology spelling is PEDOLOGY. So the study of different types of soils and the uses of soils is known as a pedology. And today class we are going to see about the types of soil, and the different types of crops requires different types of soils for their growth. So what is the use of soils and why we are depending the soil? So the soil is very important to growing different types of crops. So these crops depending the different types of soils. And in this class we are discussing about what are the soils present in our Indian country. And first of all we are going to see about the alluvial soil. ALLUVIAL, alluvial soil. So the alluvial soil is the most fertile soil found in India. So fertile soil, what is the meaning of fertile soil? So this fertile means so this soil is capable for producing crops. The soil is capable for producing plants. So this is called a fertile soil. So this soil, most of the soil, the fertile soil is present in our Indian country, and this soil especially present in the past in the part of coastal plains and the river places. So this the alluvial soil is present on the river bank areas and the coastal plains. Near the water places we can see this alluvial soil, and it's rich in humus. So it is this alluvial soil has a rich in humus. And the humus, what is the meaning of humus? The substance made by breaking down of dead plants and animals that increases the fertility of soil. So humus means so in the soil, so what are the content present in the soil? So it's breaking down of dead plants and animals, so that increases the fertility of soil. So this is the meaning of the humus. So that is the reason. So this soil has a rich humus, so which makes the soil fertile and helps in the growth of the plants. So these soils help us to growth of plants. And so what are the plants we can cultivate in this alluvial soil? For rice and wheat, sugarcane, and maize, cotton, and jute, pulses, and tobacco, and all the oil seeds. So these are the plants we can cultivate it in the alluvial soil. So next one, the black soil. So second soil, it's called black soil, and the black soil, it's look like a black in color. So it's made from the lava. So lava means it comes out from the volcanoes. So volcanoes அப்படின்னா நம்ம எரிமலைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So the lavas are comes out from the volcanoes. So it's called black soil, and it's suitable for growing crops like cotton and sugarcane, wheat and millets. So these are the plants we can cultivate in the black soil, and is especially found some states like Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. It's found in the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. So these are the states we can see the black soil, and this soil is suitable for producing the cotton and sugarcane and wheat and millet. So these are the plants we can cultivate in the black soil. So dear students, so learn this two soil today. So first of all, alluvial soil, and the second one is the black soil. So again I am repeating. So black soil, alluvial soil, it has a rich humus, and it's most of the alluvial soil present in our Indian country, and it's suitable for producing all the crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane and maize, cotton, jute and pulses and tobacco and all seeds. So these are the plants we can cultivate in the alluvial soil. And the black soil means it's look like a black in color. It's made from the lava. So it comes out from the lava. It's look like a black in color, and this soil is also suitable for cultivating wheat, sugarcane and cotton and millets. And the black soils is especially present in the states of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. So dear students, so learn this two soil today. Thank you.